I've never really flown in like this kind of haze, not with an instructor.
Holy moly.
Well guys, today I'm actually gonna be flying with my buddy here at Santa Paula. He just got his license like a few weeks ago. So he's officially a pilot, and he wants to take me up. I got him started, got him kind of going. I took him up in the Cirrus, and he was like, you know what, man, I really want to try this flying thing. And so he got enrolled over here at CP Aviation. Shout out to CP Aviation in Santa Paula, and they treated him great, taught him well, and now look at him doing his pre-flight. And he's gonna take me up. We're gonna go for a flight. We're gonna see maybe, because the sky is starting to break up. I mean, that's the thing about living right here by the coast is, I mean, May gray, June gloom, you're gonna get a lot of that. And well, today it's starting to burn off, so we're looking pretty good. Maybe in the next half hour, 45 minutes, this will be cleared up, and we'll probably maybe take a flight up to, you know, Aquadulce or something, you know, somewhere around here. But anyways, this ought to be fun, man.
I say we just kind of chill out for a little bit.
I say so too.
Happens, huh?
Look at this, a 172.
It's gonna be very slow compared to what you're used
Hey,
to.
that's all right though, man. But
And the landings will probably be a lot harder than what you're used to.
no, they'll be amazing, and you know it. Awesome, man. Look at that. I know that. The dual G430s. I know that stuff. Right on, man.
Well, my boy's piloting. Boy's piloting. I love it.
All right. Clear right, clear center, clear left. Runway 22's the active.
Well, this is just purely amazing. I'm so happy for you, bro.
Oh, me too. I'm excited.
That you get to fly an aircraft now. It wasn't that long ago where you were just dreaming about it. Now look at you.
The real deal.
Now you're doing it.
My second flight.
It's amazing, bro. Super proud of you.
God cleared the skies for us.
Yeah, it looks good now. And off we go.
Slight crosswind. All right, gauges are green. Airspeed's coming alive. And we'll rotate at 55, which is what you're not used to.
Not usually, no.
At 550, we will turn crosswind. Santa Paula traffic, Cessna 168, left crosswind, 22, Santa Paula.
Santa Paula traffic, Cessna 986, departing runway 22, left close traffic.
Santa Paula traffic, Cessna 168, left downwind, 22 for downwind departure, Santa Paula. All right. Where we going? 5,500, right?
5,500. Look at you go, bro. This time you get to fly me somewhere.
Right? A little hazy. That's all right. All right, we can still make the runway. Gauges are green. We're at 1,000 feet, so we are a little above pattern altitude.
Santa Paula traffic, Cessna 986, left crosswind.
Been a minute since I've been in a Cessna. A 172. And this is the you know, the Mike and November models.
This is the heavy, slow model.
The heavy, slow model. This has got 160 horsepower, something like that, 165.
160. Santa Paula traffic, Cessna 168, departing to the northeast. Last call, 3 miles out.
Santa Paula traffic, Cessna 986 is left downwind.
So I want your help a little with aeronautical decision making as we fly into, you know,
Okay.
never really flown in like this kind of haze, not with an instructor, so just help making smart decisions.
Yeah, so I mean, through this haze, I mean, it's obviously the visibility is a little bit lower, but
yeah, well, I think we'll be above it. But
we're going to get above it here momentarily. And the ground is heating up quite quickly right now, so all this is going to burn up pretty fast. But we still have visibility. We can still see the mountains. We can see all that, so we're not going to have like sea-fit going on here.
Yeah. Point Magoo approach Cessna 66168 via FAR request.
November 66168, Magoo approach.
168, we're between Santa Paula and Fillmore over the 126 at 2,500, climbing to 5,500 for L70, Aquadulce. Request flight following, please.
Magoo 81 Echo has the field in sight. You want us to go to tower?
81 Echo, contact tower 18.2.
22.
Number 9 Yankee Bravo is 3 miles from Jersey, turn right heading 230, maintain 3,000 until stops cleared, RNAV Yankee runway 26 approach.
Clear to RNAV Yankee 26 approach, maintain 3,000 until established, 89 Yankee Bravo.
November 66168, your exit in my airspace, next request was SoCal 134.2.
134.2, 168, thank you.
November 3 Tango Mike, turn left heading 070.
Left 070, picking line.
SoCal approach. How's the mixture?
We're going to do 2 twists here and
I love it.
second. 1 twist, 2 twists. Said SoCal, yeah?
Yep, SoCal approach.
Southwest 2032 to center, maintain 6,000.
6,000, Southwest 2032.
SoCal approach Cessna 66168, VFR request.
Alright, stepped on.
5600, you're 2 miles from Silex, cross Silex at or above 4,000, cleared Isla Zulu, run 8 approach.
Cross Silex at maintain at or above 4,000, cleared ILS Zulu, runway 8, jet city 600.
1354 to center, maintain 5,000.
So maintain 5,000 out of 1354. SoCal departure, November.
It's always busy.
Yeah, I'm thinking we're probably not even going to get it.
We may not get it.
7243 Charlie, took a departure, we're at a contact, I maintain 8,000.
I maintain 8,043 Charlie.
5600, maintain 180 knots, Buddy, at Buddy, Burbank Tower, 118.7.
180 to Buddy, at Buddy, Tower 18, 118.7 to City 600.
United 1354, 5 miles from Silex, left turn, heading up 110, maintain 4,000 until established, cleared Isla Zulu, Renata.
Don't worry about it.
Left turn, heading 110, 4,000 until established, clear for the ILS Zulu, runway 8, United 1354.
LA airspace, bro.
Alright, we still got a bunch of fields to the left that we can
6,000 feet, 22.
definitely turn around and get.
We can hit the 126. We got the river bottom. We got the fields like you're talking about.
There's some good fields with the rows going with us.
Yeah.
Going east-west.
Yeah.
Alright, we're still pitched for 74, 75. Gauges are green.
Looking good, bro. You're doing a good job.
Give it another couple twists here when we get 4,000.
You're doing a good job.
This thing climbs like a dog.
2032 to center, maintain 5,000.
Hey, but it climbs.
11 o'clock, 5 miles orbiting the Cessna at 4,000, restricted below.
Okay, we'll be looking for the Cessna down to 5,000, Southwest 2032.
1354, maintain speed of Buddy, at Buddy, Burbank Tower, 118.7.
We'll go 1354.
Little VOR out there.
Left turn heading 200.
Left 200, Southwest 1866.
Still more VOR. That's Moore Park out there in the distance. Simi Valley is right, just on the other side of the wing strut there. Kind of hazy, so you can't really tell.
2 turns.
210.
Go direct Silex, 210 on the speed, Southwest 2032.
At 4,000 feet and climbing. Yeah, I mean, the performance is so much different, you know, going from the Cirrus to this, but I mean, this is the trainer aircraft. This is what I flew in, something similar to this, the SP model, but, you know, it's still not going to be the highest performers in the world. But, hey, man, we're flying. That's what it's all about.
All right.
4,500, so one more.
Menu, change fields, enter. Go down, I don't want waypoint.
Heading of 170. Left 170 southwest, 1866.
Track.
So flight following might be out of the question, and that's all right, though.
Yeah, I'm thinking it is.
But, you know, it's good to monitor it, you know, anyways. Because if something were to happen, you can start talking to somebody right away.
1866, you're 8 miles from Silex.
All kinds of fields and sandy river bottom.
Yeah, you know.
I like the fields a little better because there's not as much of an opportunity to hit a rock as long as the rows are with us, or
That's
there's
right.
no rows, you know?
That's right.
All right, crossing 5,000, 1 twist, 2 twists.
All right, 500 feet to go, and we are going to level out. Yeah, whenever you don't have autopilot, you got to do all the turns and everything yourself.
Yeah, I'm not following it perfect because I like staying over this valley.
And that's quite all right, man.
We're going in the right
It just tells
general
you
direction.
the direction, yes.
Right turn, direct Gorman, 4 Sierra Charlie. 128.75, 4 Sierra Charlie.
Look at how lame our climb is.
Yeah, well, you know, as you climb through the altitude, this isn't a turbo or anything either, so the horsepower just goes lower and lower as we climb up, and it's not going to want to perform, you know?
All right, pitch.
That 200 feet a minute climb right there. Yep, check it out, man. We're flying.
All right, so what I say, top is descent in
9 miles out.
So we're 21 miles.
Yeah.
Wondering what these mountains are about. If it's on the other side of that or not.
I don't believe that it is.
I hope not.
I don't believe that it is. Otherwise, we just spin back around.
Yep.
But no, I think it's before all that.
What's our profile say on here?
Let's take a look here.
Should be able to hear profile.
Yeah, 55, 50, yeah, so it's like right in the thick of that stuff.
Approach Winnebago 149 Whiskey 6000, we have Kilo Burbank. Ride 050, practice approach approved, 79 right. Hey, SoCal departure, let's jet 70 with you now, 2,600, we're climbing 4,000. Jet 70, took a departure, ready to contact, climb, maintain 6,000.
Fun.
I maintain 6,000, let's jet 70.
Got traffic out there.
Winnebago 9 Whiskey, got to maintain 4,000, left turn heading of 140. 140 and heading down to 4,000, Winnebago 9 Whiskey.
Because I'm going this way, I should go to like 7,500, but then we're just going to be immediately have to
Descending
lose that
down
much
from
more
that, yeah.
altitude. What do you thinking a good decision is? Like just kind of.
Well, I mean, we're not going long distance at
so maybe
6,500.
12 o'clock, 3 miles southeastbound, citation, joining final to Burbank. Looking for the medevac 700. Medevac 9 Whiskey, you're 5 miles from Buddy, left turn heading of 110, maintain 3,000 until established on the localizer, cleared, ILS Zulu, ready to approach.
122.8,
heading
CTAP there.
There we go.
3,000 until established localizer, cleared, ILS Zulu 8.
Yes, sir.
Let's go 70, right turn heading 270, climb, maintain 13,000. Right turn 270 up to 13,000.
I'm just wondering if it's on the other side of
No,
that.
no, it's right here. It's right here.
478, roger.
Yeah, it's 14 miles out.
Yeah.
It's right here in this, you know, this little valley.
Right turn heading up 340, unable to direct blocker, expedite through 8,000.
You know, when you think of 14 miles, it says like it's 14 miles away. 14 miles is not that far ahead.
Right.
It's really not. You're a good pilot, bro.
Well, I'm glad you're here for this trip.
Doing a good job.
Downwind 18,
If anything, I wouldn't even go to the left. I would stay like we're aiming for the runway.
Overfly the runway.
You can do that.
Yeah.
Or just, you know, you
We'll
can
be
stay a little
plenty
high. Yeah. And I'll have to take a look down and see.
I'll take it down your side.
Okay.
I should be making calls.
Not yet. Well, you could. Let's see.
Just that we're
Flight
inbound.
service. Is there no?
There's nothing. No ATIS, no weather.
Nothing. Damn. All right. So yeah, we're just using our eyes to see what the winds are doing, and that is it, man.
All right, you're on windsock duty. I think it's to the right of those buildings, or to the left of the runway, right of the buildings.
Okay. So our traffic pattern altitude would be
36. I'll shoot for 41.
There you go. And right now we're at 4,600. Yeah, this is great, man. Great little descent. Here's our runway. And you can see why it's left traffic 22, right? Yep. Holy moly.
Right traffic 22.
That's what I meant, right traffic.
Messing me up, man.
Yeah, man.
I'm too new for that.
Now. If I were you, I'd start banking to the left a little bit, because I want to get a good bird's eye view on that.
All right, I'm going to level us off.
Yeah, I was just checking on you, man. Make sure you know the difference between left traffic and right traffic. And you passed the test, bro. You did a great job.
All right, you good where you'll be able to get a view?
Oh, yeah. So we're still at 4,100? Great.
Yep. Aquadulce traffic, Cessna 168, about to overfly runway 4 to check that windsock at 4,100 prior to joining right traffic for 22. I can't even see the windsock.
Well, it's one of those little dihedral things. So it looks like the wind is, yeah.
22.
It's coming 22, yeah.
All right, I'm going to just swing around this little mountain here, I think, and kind of go back around a bit. I think I'm just going to go all the way around this whole cluster. So we got more flat spots if something happens, and then I'll join the downwind.
You got it.
I don't really know how to say this. Upwind to the
No, I'm just going to say that, you know, what you're doing. So you're going to maneuver to join left downwind runway 22.
Aquadulce traffic, Cessna 168 is upwind, midfield to the north, planning on maneuvering to join the right downwind for 22. Aquadulce traffic.
I love it. Gotta love all this terrain around this area.
Cut through right there.
Yeah, you could. Cool little chill descent, controlled.
Slowly start that descent. Aquadulce traffic, Cessna 168, right downwind, 22, Aquadulce.
78 is inbound, will be taken.
What do you want your airspeed to be?
Santa Paula traffic, Cessna 168, right, base, 22, Aquadulce. Said Santa Paula. I want to be on, when I hit here, I want to be 70, and I want to be about 65 when we. Aquadulce traffic, Cessna 168, final. 22, Aquadulce. Slippy in there. Plenty of runway. See how far we can wheelie.
That was amazing. Yeah, great job, bro. Great job on the power management.
I could turn off there, but see what I mean?
Oh, the little
barely get that.
Yeah.
Is there a turn off here? I don't know where parking is, so I'm guessing over there somewhere. I'm gonna go to the end. No one's around.
Screw it. Our windows open.
Just to familiarize myself, you know.
Oh yeah. Good job, bro.
Thanks.
Good job. New airport. Hell, I've never even landed here before. Aquadulce. I've wanted to be, or I've wanted to land here before, and you just introduced me to a new airport. Guys are clear out here, man.
I'll bring that out an inch because we're just kind of taxiing.
That's right. Well, that's cool, man. We'll catch the flight home, too. That'd be great.
Well, we did it. Flew to Aquadulce. Place is pretty cool. So we came all the way to Aquadulce, and the restaurant's closed. Everything's friggin' closed.
No one here to witness my first good landing. Unbelievable.
Closed.
Only took 250 of them.
Jeez.
Yeah, this is the runway.
This is the runway. Yep. Pretty crazy. It's a cool little place though. Look at all these like barn-looking hangars. It's pretty neat. And I guess one of the things that we learned was, in order to get your ATIS or your AWOS, ASOS, whatever, you gotta click the push to talk button 5 times, and then it'll give you the info. It's like, damn, wish I would have known that. Oh well. Update on the last thing I said about the weather. Well, it's in the AFD, but I guess I didn't look that up, and my boy Craig.
I did. I forgot.
He forgot. So, yeah, shit.
Oh yeah, so now we're gonna leave Aquadulce. That was closed up for business. And we're gonna head back to beautiful Santa Paula.
22 is verified, we're a little higher and it's hot, so I'm just gonna use all the runway. Try to tighten my seatbelt a little bit. Gauges are green. Airspeed's coming up. We're at 55. Stay under those birds.
So if there was any advice that you could give a new pilot or somebody who's wanting to do this, what would the advice be?
Don't go too long without flying, and study twice as much as you fly, if not 3 times more. Stay on top of it so that you don't get behind the airplane when you're flying like we're about to, because in 0.4 miles we're going to start our descent.
Nice.
So have the brain stuff fresh so you can just focus on flying the airplane.
Right.
So now we're going to start our descent. Pull carb heat on, pull to 1800.
Yeah, as soon as you pull that carb heat, you can feel the power just start to diminish.
Yep. Give
Pretty
it a couple
crazy.
twists, and we will go 1800 RPM.
Kelly 93 Tango, just for your planning. I got 2 jets, and then I can get you in.
That should give us about
Kelly 93 Tango, start looking for traffic 10 o'clock.
Nice, trim it out.
Miles, southeastbound citation,
We'll just mind our altitude and keep twisting in mixture.
Tango, looking negative contact at this point.
93 Tango,
Love it, dude.
Flatting 030. Just
So how many hours do you have right now?
I think after this flight I'll be at 78.
Kelly 93 Tango,
78
flatting
hours.
030.
Not a lot. And then I think the other advice is just
turn right direct Walker, resume on
stay humble
maintain 13,000.
and
Walker own now.
respect the air. That'd be it. Respect the air.
Oh yeah.
Approach Southwest Station.
Yeah, you have to respect everything, because
Rocker 2 to 7,000.
this is inherently dangerous stuff that we're doing.
Approach, proceed at direct Silex, join final.
But you know what? There's a small community that does the aviation stuff. You know what I mean? And we get to be a part of that. It's awesome. It's a blessing. I always pinch myself going to my airplane, getting it ready to go on a flight somewhere. It's always like, damn, I can't believe I get to do this.
Roger.
So cool.
I've got a visual separation and we'll turn 050, 93 Tango.
0 Bravo Alpha, contact departure 128.75. 2875, 0 Bravo Alpha, good day. Citation A Juliet Echo, descend and maintain 4,000. Down to 4,000, A Juliet Echo.
Yeah, so the haze is clearing up. I mean, you can see everything now.
Traffic in
Yeah, I mean, we got solid visibility.
Oh yeah.
And you can see Santa Paula.
Yeah, you can see Santa Paula, and then
428 Sierra Romeo,
over there
Roger. And
is going to be Camarillo.
070 Sierra Romeo. Southwest 834.
There's clouds over there.
210 knots or less. 210 knots or less, Southwest 834. Citation A, Juliet, Echo 3 miles.
As soon as we get below like 5,000, I'm probably going to switch frequencies because we're not going to have the big jets going into Burbank or anywhere at that point.
Runway 8, Juliet, Echo. Here's 5, Sierra Golf, descend to maintain 5,000. Descend to maintain 5,000.
Right, gauges are still green. I pulled another 100 RPM just to get us going a little more. I'm going to do a little bit more and keep it pitched for 90.
Oh yeah.
All right, so we have to be at 1,500 when we go over the city.
Nice.
So that's what we're going to be at. .90 knots, just cruising. We'll get a good view of the windsock when we cruise by.
Yeah, I couldn't imagine it's not 2-2.
Yeah, in the afternoon.
Yeah, it's not the Santa Anas right now, so.
All right, only thing left on before landing checklist is carb heat back on when we point. A little bumpy.
A little bumpy, but that's normal. Down low like this.
Santa Paula traffic, Cessna 168, upwind over the city, 1,500, a beam, the number's 22, and we got the traffic departing in sight. We'll maneuver around you. Santa Paula traffic, out. All right, so Peck Road is the end of all the houses.
Traffic, Sulu helicopter, set equipped bridge, 700 below, maneuvering over the river bed, Santa Paula.
Santa Paula traffic, Cessna 168, left crosswind, Peck Road, 22, Santa Paula. All right, let's start that descent again. So we're gonna bring it to probably 15 is what I'm gonna do. Now we got a little crosswind coming there.
Santa Paula traffic, 914, left base, 22 Santa Paula.
Perfectly over Peck Road. Santa Paula traffic, Cessna 168, left downwind, golf course, 22, Santa Paula. Pattern altitude, let's clear out. All right, before landing, checklist is complete, seatbelts, lights, carb heat, action, camera, backwards order there. All right, 850, we've captured it. Trimmed. Tetrahedron confirmed straight down the runway.
Nice man, nice and tough.
All right, a beam pulling power. About 1,300. Flaps in, let the nose go down. More flaps. Clear, clear. Santa Paula traffic, Cessna 168. Left base, 22, Santa Paula. Did at 70. Aim for the water tower. Final's clear. Can you double check for me?
Final clear.
Santa Paula traffic, Cessna 168, final 22, Santa Paula. All right, we're at 65. 60. Judge that a little bit.
That was great.
2 landings in 1.
2 landings in 1. Heck yeah, man. Killer job.
Turn this thing off so it stops costing money. That windsock's standing pretty straight up.
Yeah. Pretty good winds. That was a challenging landing. You killed it.
Thank you. We were crabbing pretty good on crosswind
Yeah, we
and
were.
base.
I felt that both times. I was like, damn.
Got a little slow base final, so I added a little extra power. But safe.
So cool, man. Good job.
Thank you, that was fun.
Got us to
Glad we went up.
Aquadulce and back. That is awesome.